Experiencing a missing connection pop-up on your iPhone when connecting your AirPods Pro 3? This visual cue showing battery status and connection confirmation is designed for seamless pairing, but sometimes glitches. The primary reason is often software related. Outdated software can cause Bluetooth connectivity issues. Start with the simplest solution. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. iOS 18.2 or later is recommended. This often resolves pairing inconsistencies. Next, confirm your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is up to date, version 6B12 or later. This over-the-air update fixes many connectivity issues. A simple restart of both your iPhone and AirPods can clear temporary glitches. To restart AirPods, place them in their case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, and then reopen. If basic fixes don't work, Bluetooth interference might be the culprit. Nearby devices using the 2.4 GHz frequency, like Wi-Fi routers, can disrupt the connection. Try moving away from potential sources of interference. Another step is to reset your AirPods Pro 3. To do this, place them in their charging case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. Then, open the lid, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Finally, repair your AirPods with your iPhone. If the problem persists, it could indicate a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnosis and potential repair, especially if your AirPods are still under warranty.